good, T Squad? It's your girl Tiana, and I am back again with another banger. And today's banger, I'll be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So in today's hair tutorial, I'll be doing a half up, half down hair tutorial. I want to try it on my hair because I never did. So yeah, just stay tuned. I probably need a hair tie, but a rubber band, but I'll get that. So let's get into the banger. I'll show you guys what I got though. I got my brush, comb, my gel toothbrush, and Eco Styling gel with my edge control. And lip gloss. As you can see, I always wear lip gloss, but right now I have Carmex on right here. So yeah, let's get into the banger. Hopefully it comes out cute. My hair is very nappy, so don't mind. I just hit the closet. So let me get my part ready for like how I'm gonna have it. Don't mind me, because I never did this, so I don't know if I should have like this going like that. I don't know. Like I don't know. So just let me see, because it be so hard when you don't know how to do something. This is my first time trying it. Okay, it's right. Okay, so that's the part that's gonna be up, and now I just have to bring this part down, as you guys can see. Oh, it's gonna be puffy. No. Hopefully it comes out right since my hair is puffy. Let me get the gel on my hair first. Okay, so that's all that is gonna do. Oh, I hate that the side is different, like. Okay, there you go. So this is gonna be, I guess, a bun. So I need a rubber band. I think I do. Oh my god. I gotta put that down. Okay, let me do my edges because it's looking cute. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. As you can see, my hair is not that long, so just bear with me. But I think this is the end of it. Like, it looks cute. To me, it looks cute. It's all puffy though. Okay, I guess I could puff it out. My hair is not that long, but still, at least I got some hair. Let me just go like this. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it was not gonna stay like that. My ends are puffy, that's why they're like that. You see how one sticks up, one don't. That's just how it is. That is how it is. Let's see if I like pin it down like this part. It will stay like that. It looks cute. Oh, this looks so cute. Oh my god. Let me see if I have more Barbie pins in here. I'll be back. Let me go get some Barbie pins. I am back with my Barbie pins. As you can see, I got 2 of them. So yeah, I want to see something cute. Other big state. See what is, grab this. And then let me just fix the other one. Oh my god, this is gonna come out cute. Honestly. Period. Now I look cute. Let me get these ends from the gel. And then now I get to fix this. And it's gonna look, let me puff it out. I tried. But it's this side that's not like getting right. For some reason, it's not getting right. Let's see if I do it like that. But look, you see the difference? My hair is different. But oh well. I'll put some lip gloss on. And yeah, I like it like this. Come on. I look cute. Like, honestly, with my hair like this, I look cute. I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll put it like in the next little slide thingy. So yeah, this is the final work. So hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, and give me to 400 subscribers. I'll appreciate that so much. And like I'm gonna say in all my other videos, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys. Mwah.